Their tallies at the moment, but clearly Fianna Fáil is doing far better than predicted. And the idea that Fianna Fáil would be coming in a distant third is completely disproven. And you know, I've been looking at opinion polls now for the last 3 years. This internet panel polling having Fianna Fáil at 14 and 15%. Well, clearly Fianna Fáil will be well ahead of that. Will be over 20% by the time all of these counts are collated and put together. And I think we put up a very robust performance, and we're holding our own compared to our performance in the general election of 2020. We've had a great result here in Cork so far, it seems, on the tallies, although an awful lot will be determined by the transfers and by the later counts. And I think this will go well into the early morning. So we're in contest here now for an additional seat in South West, for example, but that won't be determined, if we're honest, until the early hours of the morning. But we're very, very competitive in that ward. 3 outstanding performances. I want to pay tribute to our outgoing councillors who have worked very hard across the country and who have enabled us to put up a resilient and robust performance in this election. And I pay tribute to Jack Chambers as the National Director of Elections for the work that he has put in. Tremendous, comprehensive approach by Jack as Director of Elections, and that clearly has yielded results. It looks like on the European front that we will gain at least one seat tomorrow in Midlands North West for the first time in 15 years. Again, we look forward to that. There hasn't been comprehensive tallying of the European figures, but certainly we're in for long nights all over the country. But what I've also been interested in is a number of newer candidates and younger candidates who are coming through for the party as well, which augurs well for the future, particularly general elections of the future. And I think we're in a good position for the next general election. Local election results do not correlate with general election results. We know that. They can help in terms of bringing new candidates forward. They can create a platform and a basis. I said we're going to go full term, and full term is February, March next year, and that's always been my position. Only as late as last week, I and myself and the Green Party said the exact same thing.